Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to cook some rice on the Monument propane grill. My Monument grill's Mesa Series 305 has a side burner. I already cooked some meat on it. We're gonna make some rice. Let's do this, folks. Just in case you forget your bottle opener, Monument Grills has incorporated a bottle opener into their grills. Check it out. Hell yeah. Okay, our burner is on, folks. Stir the rice until it browns up a little bit. You gotta keep stirring it or else you'll burn the rice. Okay, this rice is toasty. Time to add some water. Lower the heat. Add some caldo de tomate. Add some garlic powder.
Need to get salt.
A little bit of salt to taste. Little taste test. It needs a little bit more salt for our taste. Taste it again, it was good. Lower the heat so we can simmer it for a little while. Alright, cover it and simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, folks. This rice is cooked.